Hi, my name is Maya, and today we're going to be making our very own home-brewed, unfiltered high fructose corn syrup. High fructose corn syrup is a highly sweetened sugar substance found in many processed foods. High fructose corn syrup, due to its cost efficiency and stable shelf life, can be found in everything from yogurt to cereal to soda pop to bread to pretty much everything on grocery store shelves. We have corn, yellow dent number 2. It's also known as field corn. It's what farmers use to feed livestock and to make ethanol. We've ground it into a fine starchy powder here. We have sulfuric acid. We have bacterial enzymes, alpha amylase, xylose, and glucoamylase, as well as a genetically engineered chemical compounds known as glucose isomerase. We have a dropper to extract these chemicals. We'll also be using rubber gloves, cheesecloth, a wooden paddle, a candy thermometer, and a jar for the final product. The first step is to take a large pot, fill it with 8 cups of water, and put 1 drop of sulfuric acid. Make sure to use your gloves for this. Take your dropper and carefully add 1 drop. Put the pot of water onto boil and raise to a temperature between 140 and 160 degrees. Add the ground corn and let sit overnight at 140 degrees. We transferred our corn to a slow cooker on low temperature overnight, and it has now completed the cooking process. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of alpha amylase, stir with a wooden paddle, we're going to turn the slow cooker off. Let this sit at room temperature for 20 minutes. We've let our corn cool to room temperature, and in the meantime, we set up our cheesecloth over a large pot. We're going to take our corn mixture, pour it over the cheesecloth. We're going to sprinkle over 1 teaspoon of the xylose powder. We're going to strain the liquid from the corn. Once you're done straining, you can throw the excess corn away. Take the strained liquid, pour it back into your pot or crock pot, and add 2 dropperfuls of your glucose isomerase. Heat the mixture back up to boiling. Now that our mixture has come to a boil, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of glucoamylase. Keep that at a high temperature for 1 minute, turn it down to low, and simmer for 15 minutes. Now that your liquid is finished simmering, you're all set and ready to go. We're going to take it off the heat and pour it into our jar. And there you have it. Here is your very own jar of homemade, unfiltered, high fructose corn syrup. Thank you,